Thank you for downloading InfoApp. Please watch this video in its entirety to get a quick start on how it works. InfoApp is an innovative solution that aims to streamline and simplify time-consuming tasks carried out by sales professionals. With features like automated email writing, CRM updates, keyword-driven content discovery, and content management, InfoApp drastically reduces the effort required for these activities. Powered by AI, users can expect to achieve a significant boost in productivity, saving up to 2 hours or even more. Now let's get started. To activate InfoApp, simply click on the task button at the bottom right corner of your browser. A task window will appear showing the AI writer. If you want to switch between different task windows, just click on the bottom tabs labeled AI Writer, CRM Updater, and Content Share. Before we dive in, I just want to let you know that we have a help video section located in the upper right-hand corner of the task panel. Just click on Help, find the keyword you're looking for, and click to play the video tutorial to guide you through the instructions. Best part, you can access the help library from anywhere within the product. Now let's see how these functions work. To use the AI Writer, just scroll over the text you want to work with. The text will appear in the window, and you can select the option you'd like to perform. Your options include reply, summary, rewrite, grammar, ask a question, and medpick. Just click on the desired option. In this case, let's say you want to rewrite this message in a friendly tone. Once you've selected the option, InfoApp will rewrite the message for you in that style. You can simply click Copy to paste this friendly message into your email. If you have more work, just clear out the panel with the Clear button, or just close and reopen to start again. This function is very easy to use and will save you tons of time to get the message just right. CRM Updater is a user-friendly tool that functions similar to AI Writer. Simply hover over the message you want to add to your CRM, whether it's a message to your customer or an email you receive from them. Once the text is in the panel, just click the Summarize button. We will then transform this message into a comprehensive summary that outlines the conversation between you and the customer. Now all you need to do is enter the name of the customer. We seamlessly integrate with Salesforce and HubSpot, but if you use a different CRM, you can simply copy and paste this summary into your platform. Type the name of the customer, and we'll display their name as a lead or contact in Salesforce and as contacts for HubSpot. Once you locate and select your contact, you'll have access to the customer name, company, and opportunities for confirmation before posting. If there are multiple opportunities, simply choose the correct one and hit Post. In just a matter of seconds, InfoApp will post this summary to your activity feed. Updating your CRM has never been easier. Content Share is an easy way to quickly identify the right content for your customer. Content Share opens the content page for your selection. Just pick the keywords which will pull together the correct content. Click Next and just copy and paste the customer's email in the box for tracking. Click OK and a share link will be generated for you to paste into your email. This link will take your customer to an attractive, user-friendly format. There's even a chat window to keep in touch. It's all super easy with just a few clicks to create. If you hadn't added any content to your Content Share yet, no worries. Just click our Content Management button to access the platform. From there, you can easily organize your content by page, subject, or keyword. Any changes you make will be automatically updated to your Content Share, so you can easily replace existing content for your customers. Once you've completed the content page, you can share it with your team so they can send it to their customers too. To get started, simply click on New Page. And if you have any questions along the way, Don't hesitate to use our helpful library for guidance. Having all your content in one place is incredibly useful. It saves you time and helps you attract more business by allowing you to respond quickly to your customers' interest. Good luck. We appreciate your download of our solution and would like to thank you once again for choosing us. We have worked diligently to make sure our solution is easy to use and navigate. If you have any questions or require any assistance, our help library is readily available to provide guidance throughout the process. Feel free to contact me directly at frank@infoapp.com for any feedback or questions you may have. We value your time and appreciate your support. Thanks again for choosing our solution. Have a great day.